Hi, this is Phil Haynes with the Leisure Outlet. I'm going to talk you through the Vango Del Mar chair. Del Mar chair, it's a great camping chair if you're away for the weekend, either in your tent or with the caravan or motorhome. Comes in its own little carry bag, so the idea is it pops out, it's all folded away and it just concertinas. Now, slightly different to a lot of chairs in that it's a reclining angle. So when you're actually sat in the Del Mar, it's much more relaxing. You're not upright, it's a very relaxing chair. So if your camping time or your time away in the caravan or motorhome is there just to relax and wind down, this is the perfect chair. The back's nice and high, so putting your head back, you've got a great deal of support there. Maximum weight is 120 kilos, which is just over 18 stone. The chair weighs 3.8 kilograms, so it's nice and light as well. It's duo fabric, so it's nice and textured, and you'll notice the cup holder here. Difference with this cup holder is it is insulated, so that will keep drinks hot or cold, conversely, when in use. The frame has got a nice textured feel as well, and it's just got a general feel of quality. But the thing that's most important is the comfort, and this gives you masses of comfort. Very important when you're relaxing, and this chair will do a great job. To see the Del Mar chair and all the range of chairs from Vango and other suppliers, visit leisureoutlet.com.